Isn't that funny? Something, probably a cat, walked across here and jumped out to here. The sun has done away with it a lot in the backyard over here. This snowdrift, I didn't really shovel any of this. That was naturally created. And it was a little taller yesterday. But this is... over here. There was barely anything on these back steps. Most of everything was up front. Really bad. I live in an old house, so... All this. And footprints. Stalking footprints. Had to save that. I cleaned all that out. There was like a foot of snow over the lawn equipment. It's past my elbow. It's on the length of my whole fence to the next property. Like, what in the hell? It's cold right now too. But I'm so adjusted to being so cold. And then, before we know it, summertime comes and we're going to be boiling. And then we have to do it over again. That's nice. So when I dug out, I thought it'd be easier to be going this way from the carport. Oh, you see that a drain pipe that's not really attached at the middle? Because I don't want to drill into that asbestos, so I figured out a way of doing that without having to dig into that. Look at this shit. I'm gonna have to dig that out. It's gonna rot the shit out of everything. Yeah, I really should. At least go over to that corner. The core of this house is 1927. It should be on a national registry for being one of the first Long Island homes. Thanks for watching.